Right, please. Hey guys, welcome back, my dear students. And today we are going to have a live session on how can you actually optimize your quality score in Google Search Ads campaign. Do you want success in your Google Search Ads campaign? Right? Yes. So let's understand the key strategies. All right. So, before I dive in, I would request all of you that if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do subscribe so that you get future notification updates. Alright, so now let's get started. Okay, optimizing the quality score in Google Search Ads. Okay, so first thing is open ads.google.com. Let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to take a revision of a previous concepts over here. All right, so I open ads.google.com. All right, then I click on sign in. Okay, just sign in, you click on sign in here, then select your ad account, select your ad account. Okay, I just select that, select your ad account over here. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Then you just have to click on campaigns, click on campaigns. Okay, I click on campaigns here, campaigns tab, so click on campaigns here. Okay, so now what I do is I click on the campaigns, then I go to the ad groups. So click on ad groups. Right, so now once I click on ad groups, right, so you take any ad group for now which is giving you like CTR, right? So now what you have to do is you have to click on columns. Click on columns. Okay, so I click on columns here, right? So let's say you click on the pencil icon, right? So now you have different attributes here. Okay, so one is performance, conversion, attribution, okay, bid simulator. Okay, so you have call details. Then here this is quality score, right? So I'm going to give an example here, right? So I click on quality score, so this is enhanced. So let's say you check this option, quality score history, then landing page experience. You just check this option, expected CTR history, then landing page experience history. Okay, then you click on add relevance, right, then history of the add relevance as well. Okay, so I've checked all the options here, correct, right? So now what I do is then, okay, so I'll just write here, you have to click on quality score and check all the relevant components. Click on quality score and check uh, and click on check on all the relevant components. What are the components? What is quality score history, okay, expected CTR, okay, then expected CTR, history, landing page experience, okay, and landing page experience history. Right now, I would suggest that you first have to make a campaign live. So I would request you guys that put some money in Google Ads. Let's say like 2-3 thousand rupees. Put some money and do a test campaign, because getting data about your campaign, and then once you have the data from your campaign, then you can do the optimization. Right? Okay. Then click on apply. Correct. So I click on apply here. See. So now I'm going to get all the data here, right? See, I get the data, quality score 3 out of 10. So now what are we going to do for the optimization? Expected CTR is below average, so we have to improve the CTR. Landing page experience below average. Okay, so you could see everything is below average for now. Ad relevance above average. So this is above average. Ad relevance. So now what you have to do is, if you are in the campaigns tab in the ad groups tab, right? So now you have to click on download. In the ad groups tab, in the ad groups tab, you have to click on download. Okay, so let's download the report here. Yes, so download in excel.csv file. Okay, so we have downloaded the report here. Yes, so let's open the report. Okay, so here you could see the report here, right? So this is a campaign for one of a client and they are still working on it. Okay, so you get to know the complete details, right? Okay, whether what is the quality score, expected CTR, landing page. Okay, based on this you can do the data analysis part. Correct? Yes, I hope I am clear on this. If you have any questions, any doubt, you can please ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help all of you. Yeah? Alright, so now let's move further. So, what this session will actually provide, right? So, this session is going to give you a lot of valuable insights and strategies on how can you improve your ad performance, and then you can maximize your ROI, right? Okay, so now you might be wondering, sir, can you please tell me what is quality score? Okay, so you might be having this question in your mind, correct? So now you need to understand that quality score is a measure of relevance, okay, and quality of your ads that consist of your keywords and landing pages. So to improve your quality score, the performance of landing pages will absolutely play this significant role. Okay, so in this particular situation, you have to understand that your quality score on the higher side will actually help to determine your ad rank. Okay, so now let's understand what is ad rank with a live example. Okay, so we need to take action oriented steps to improve ad rank. Okay, and high quality score is actually going to help you for improving the ad rank, right? So now let's understand some examples here, right? Okay, so now I open Google in incognito mode. Okay, so I open Google here. Okay, so now what I do is, So let's say I just type here as CSM training. Let's try some keywords here. CSM training here. And let's see the sponsored results. Okay, so the first is knowledge hut. Okay, so this is ad rank. So what happened is these are all called as organic results. Then they have your Google reviews part. Okay, then after organic, this ad is on the first position, knowledge hut. Okay, right, so this is ad rank number one, right? Let's do a further analysis. So World of Agile ad rank number two. Okay, so this is the number two position here, right? So after your organic results, your sponsored results get displayed in Google SERPs, right? Okay, yeah. So let's go forward, and you can see scale up. This is ad rank number three, right? So scale up consultants ad is on the number three position as of now in top three positions, right? So if you want to have a ad rank number one, definitely in this particular situation you have to improve the quality score here, right? So now we will understand what are the KPIs, okay, for a higher quality score, right? Key performance indicators, okay, so that we will understand in this particular session. Okay, so let's move forward. Now most important component is keyword research and selection. So I believe we have discussed this multiple times, right? So keyword research and selection. Thorough keyword research and strategic selection are fundamentally very important for improving the quality score, right? So what is important is you have to focus on relevant and high performing keywords to enhance ad relevance and CTR. So for very important point, focus on high performing keywords to enhance ad relevance and CTR, right? So now you might be wondering how to analyze high performing keywords. Okay, so we'll use Google Keyword Planner for that. Yeah, so let's open Keyword Planner. Okay, so now what I do is I go back to tools. I'm writing the pointers. Go to Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so now how are you going to do this? Okay, in the main menu, click on tools. Okay, so this is for your revision. Okay, tools, then click on planning. Okay, click on planning, right? Okay, I click on planning, and then you have to click on keyword planner. Click on keyword planner, right? Here you have two options: discover new keywords, so and get search volume and forecast. So click on discover new keywords, correct? I just click here. So now here you have two options, my dear friends. Okay, one is start with keywords and start with website. So today, okay, so what we'll do is we will actually spy on the comparators keywords. So now let's spy on the competitors keywords to analyze the high performing keywords, right? Okay, so I'll do that over here. I open Google. So this is for your information. I'll just type here CSM certification. Okay. So let's do that. Let's understand the keywords targeted by Scrum Alliance. I open this URL over here. I copy this URL, copy the comparator URL, copy the comparator URL. Let's say I take this URL over here. Yeah. Then click on start with website. Click on start with website. Okay. Okay, just copy the URL here, right? And just click on use only this page. Click copy the URL, click on use only this page, right? Okay, I just click here, then click on get results, then click on get results. Yes, I click on get results here. Okay, so we have the keyword list. We have, okay, so let's download the keyword list .csv file. Okay, so I have a keyword list here, right? Okay, so now we have discussed in the previous sessions, right? Okay, so how to analyze the high performing keywords. So first we will understand with high search volume, low competition, right? And then definitely we'll understand the different categories of keywords. Okay, so categories of keywords is like, we one is informational keyword, we have navigational keyword, and then we also have commercial intent keyword here, correct? So these are the key components that you need to understand. So now if you are running a Google Ads campaign here, so informative keyword is going to be of no use, navigational keyword is going to be of no use, but you need to analyze the high performing keywords from the keyword sheet. Okay, so let this is a revision for all of you. Okay, so let's check the top of the page bid over here, high range. Let's see which keyword is actually having the highest range here. Okay, so we'll do that over here. Okay, all right. Yeah, you can see this is one of the keyword, Scrum Master online course. This keyword is having high range, so let's highlight this keyword here. It's 404 rupees per click. Okay, so this is also having highest range. Okay, CSN certification online 453 rupees. Okay, so you need to understand that any keyword is which is having the highest range, top of the page bid, right? So these are called commercial intent. No matter the volume of the keyword is less, right? But actually those keyword valuation is on the higher side, those are commercial intent keywords, correct? So definitely these are high performing keywords here. Commercial intent keywords could be high performing keywords. Okay, if targeted properly, these are going to give you inbound leads, right? CSM certification online here. Okay, so we discussed Scrum Master online course. So let's say one more keyword will do the analysis. See, here it is, Scrum Alliance CSL certification. So this particular valuation is 502 rupees. Oh my god, that's a lot, right? Okay, so based on the valuation you decide, okay, yes, this is really good, Yeah, so I understand this. I change the text here. Yeah, so you understood, right? From the comparative keyword sheet, you have to analyze the commercial intent keywords and those keyword which is having the highest range, okay, but the competition is low, okay, then those could be your high performing keywords. In short, they are also called as commercial intent keywords. Yeah, so you need to analyze the commercial intent keyword from the Google Keyword Planner sheet. Analyze the commercial intent keywords from the Google Keyword Planner sheet. Commercial intent keyword. Okay, so this is high performing keywords. Okay, more inbound leads than from data from your Google search ads from the performance report. Alright, yep, okay, clear? Okay, any doubts, any questions, you can please ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help all of you as well. Okay, so now we understood about keyword research, then we understood about high performing keywords to enhance ad relevance and CTR, right? Okay, now the most important thing for improving the quality score is you need to have a compelling ad copy. Okay, the most important component for improving the quality score is compelling ad copy. Okay, so what happens is you have to craft compelling ad copies that actually aligns with your keywords and which provides you clear value propositions, right? Okay, so you have to utilize strong call to action to drive engagement and improve CTR. But today, my dear friends, the first thing in Google search ads is competitor research. Analyze your competitors' ads, right? So how are you going to do that, right? So now we will go to Google Ads library. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so now what we will do is we'll go back to Google Ads library. Okay, so now let's open this link here. Okay, so this is the link over here. Open the link of Google Ads library. Yeah, okay, so now scroll down, right? So here what you see is anytime, shown in India, so you can say show anywhere, all formats. In all formats you have different options. You have image, you have text, you have video, right? All topics. So how are you going to do this? Basically you have to search by an advertiser or website name, right? So now what we will do is, so let's do that and find the quick analysis, right? So let's say we'll open Scrum Alliance. Let's type Scrum Alliance. Scrum Alliance. Yeah, let's open this. Okay, I copy this URL over here. Okay, So let's see, here it is. This is the URL. Let's try to find out if there is any information. See, my dear friends, you have a lot of ideas from Google Ads Library. Just you have to enter the competitor's name here, and Google Ads Library is going to give you a lot of information about the competitors' ads, right? Okay, so Scrum Alliance is the governing body for Scrum Master certification courses, right? Okay, so it tells you become certified Scrum Master. So first thing is, if you want to improve your quality score, you should know the top performing ads. Okay, so you can find the analysis of top performing ads from Google SERPs, which ad is having the higher ad rank, right? Which ad is having the position number one, and which particular website is also having position number one in Google search ads, right? So these are the Google search ads. So definitely you understand. Okay, now I know this is the ad. Okay, so understand the components and KPIs of search ads. Okay, right? So they have integrated the USPs, they have also integrated the keyword CTAs in their ad copy, right? Okay, right? You can see the difference. So important part is you have to analyze the ads in Google Ad Library, who are your top competitors, right? Let's say now you have all formats. I did. Okay, so we discussed this all formats, right? Okay, now let's say you want to do a video ad. Okay, so let's do that. All right, so now what to do is I click on video over here. Okay, so let's see if they have any videos. See, you have the ideas. Okay, now it's so simple for you, because once you start analyzing your competitors' content in Google Ad Library, when it comes to performance marketing, your 50% job is done, my dear friend, because you get a lot of ideas. And the most important thing in Google Ads, right? What is important is, if you know the winning combination of your competitors' ads, definitely you get fantastic results. So let's play one of the ad here, right? Okay, let's do that. Yeah. Okay, so what did you understand from this video ad? Basically, the length of the ad is hardly 15 seconds. They have integrated the USPs. Okay, it's a short presentation, a musical presentation. Plus, they have integrated the CTA here. Okay, visit site. They have integrated the CTA, right? So this is how you get a lot of insights after your thorough research. Correct? Okay. Any doubts? Any questions till here? If you have any doubts, any questions till here, you can please ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help all of you. Alright? So we discuss about compelling ad copies. Now, today we will understand the extensions also, right? So now let's use ChatGPT extensions to create compelling ad copies. Okay, open ChatGPT. So what is the URL? So I'll show you the URL over here, right? I open. Okay, open this ChatGPT URL over here. Yeah. Then we have an extension of ChatGPT AIPRM extension, right? Okay, you have to use ChatGPT extension AIPRM, right? Okay, so let's use this extension here. Click on the search bar of AIPRM extension. Click on the search bar of AIPRM extension. Okay, so here is Google Ads. Just enter Google Ads, right? Okay, so what do you see here? Okay, so let's understand. Click on Google Ads headlines and description tab. Click on Google Ads headlines and description tab, right? Okay, just click here. Now here you just have to enter the prompt, add your topic or keyword. So in square bracket I just say CSM training and certification. Square bracket close, click on enter, and now you can see the magic. Ye magic. Alright, now see the magic here. Yes, see, this is the magic of AIPRM extension, right? So now AIPRM extension is going to create compelling ads for you. So now from this particular extension, you can take the most relevant ads from here, right? So your job is done. See, this is the power of AI. So now you can leverage AI in performance marketing, right? To get amazing leads, right? So you guys are lucky enough. So now you have AI with you for your advantage, and see this, man. What else do you want for this? This is lovely. So you understood? Okay. So you have to use AIPRM ChatGPT extension to create compelling ad copies as well. Yeah. So just once you have this data here, okay. So right. Okay. So you have this data here, right? Okay. Just click on copy. Okay. Oh, then enter notepad and copy this, right? See, here you have all the data, compelling ad copies, compelling descriptions, everything. You have it over here, correct? Got it? So you have to use AIPRM Google Chrome extension. All right, yes, understood, my dear students? Yes, any doubts, any questions? So please ask me, I would be happy to help you. Yeah, so now let's move forward. So we discuss about compelling ad copy here, right? So now we will discuss about landing page optimization. This is very important when it comes to improving the quality score. Okay, so let's understand with practicals. Okay, so it's about landing page optimization. So what is important here is you have to optimize your landing page for relevance and user experience. Okay, so I'll tell you how this is important. You need to ensure seamless navigation, very clear messaging, and fast loading time to improve the quality score and conversion rate, right? So now let's see an example of scale up consultant. Yeah, okay. So now what I do is scaleupconsultants.com. Okay, let's take one of a page here. Let's say you take CSM page here. Okay, copy this URL, copy this URL, right? Now open Google Page Speed Insights. Okay, let's do that over here. Google Page Speed Insights, right? So I open here. Okay, control V, right? Okay, so now just copy the URL and click on analyze in Google PageSpeed Insights. Copy the URL and click on analyze in Google PageSpeed Insights. Okay, so you will get the score. So you click on analyze over here. Okay, so the report will get displayed in few seconds, my dear students. So it is telling me diagnose performance issues over here, right? So let's do that. Okay, so just hang on for a few seconds and you will have the report in front of you. Correct? Yeah. So here is the score. See your mobile score and your desktop score. Mobile score is 29 out of 100, so ideally your score should be 90 out of 100. Accessibility is good, 82. Best practices 71. SEO score is 82. If you click on desktop, performance score is 48. Accessibility is 82. Best practices is 70. Your SEO score is 82. So your performance score, if this is improved to 90 out of 100, so important point, my dear students, performance score for desktop and mobile should be 90 out of 100. If this is improved, this will lead to improvement in your quality score. Okay, this is one component for the improvement. There are multiple components over here. Yeah, okay, got it? Okay, so now we will move forward. Okay, so let's close this URL over here. Okay, so now we discuss about seamless navigation, then we discuss about clear messaging. So now let's open Hotjar. Okay, we open hotjar.com. Now open Hotjar. Yeah, click on get started. Okay, we click on get started here. Okay, so in the navigation menu, what you have to do is you have to click on the tab of recordings. To click on the tab of recordings, right? Just click on recordings tab here. Correct? So let's understand the most important component. Okay, so how user will interact with your landing page, right? Just click on play. Let's play the recording here. Okay, so let's see the recording here. Yeah, see users, how users interacting with your landing page. Users going to the registration page here, you could see, and he's filling up the form here. He's come back again, click on download brochure. So he's trying to find the information over here, entering the information, click on get brochure. So he has downloaded the brochure, so you can see the live recording for the Hotjar. right? See, okay, see, user again scrolling it down. Yeah, okay, yeah. See how users interacting with the website. So this is the magic of Hotjar, right? So user was on the website for 39 minutes 17 seconds here, right? So let's analyze a quick recording over here. So he is again back on the registration page here. Okay. So this is very important when it comes to analyzing the user behavior on your landing page, right? Yeah. See this. Because once you analyze the user behavior on a landing page, you get to know how user is interacting, and then you can do the optimization on a landing page. Okay, and once the optimization is done on a landing page, this will actually help to improve the quality score. Understood, my dear friends? So this was a live recording with Hotjar. Yeah. Okay, so now I close this tab here. Okay, clear? Yeah. So now let's move forward. We discuss our landing page optimization. Now we will talk about ad extension, because the more ad extensions you have, yeah, the more ad extension you have in your ad copy, right, that will actually help to improve the quality score. Okay, the more ad extension you have in your campaigns, more ad extension you have in your ad groups, this is going to help. So let's talk about ad extension. Okay, so basically what is ad extension here, right? You have to leverage ad extension to provide additional information that can help to enhance visibility. So what are the key ad extension here? Okay, one is site links. Okay, one is callouts. One is structured snippets. Okay, so these ad extension will help to improve your ad relevance and engagement, right? So now let's go back to Google Ads. Yeah, so here it is. I open ads.google.com. I close this tab here. I believe this is already opened over here. Yes, so let's do that. Okay, so now what I do is, in the campaigns tab, in the campaigns tab, you have to click on assets, right? Okay, so I click on assets here, click here, assets. Okay, you click on assets here, right? Okay, so what you see if you click on the plus icon, yeah, so here you have different options, right? Okay, so here you have callouts, you have structured snippets, you have lead forms, business logo, business name over here as well, correct? Right? Okay, so here it is. So let's say, see, these are the site links we have added here. Okay, so these are called ad extensions. Okay, site links being added over here. So you get the data, right? So these are the callouts. You can see the callouts here, right? So these are callouts, right? So I click on the next tab, right? So you can see the callouts for the campaign. You again click on the next tab over here. You see images for the campaigns, right? So now just click on the plus icon here. If you click on structured snippet, click on structured snippet here. Click on plus icon in assets. Then click on structured snippets. Okay. So what you can do is add to, click on campaign here. Okay, right. Let's say the header is English. Select header type. You say header is courses. Right. Now again go back to ChatGPT. Now again go back to ChatGPT here. Act as if you are an experienced Google Ads specialist with 20 years of work experience. I want you to write structured snippets in such a way so that I get inbound leads for CSM training and certification. So you go back to the tab here, you tell in the prompt, right, 15 structured snippets in 25 characters, right? Okay, copy this prompt in the notepad first. Yeah, so I do that over here. Okay, so you just copy the prompt here, right? Click on enter. See, you have structured snippets right in front of you, and these structured snippets you can actually integrate in your Google Ads campaign. You just have to copy paste it from here. So here we have already set up the structured snippets, right? I hope I am pretty clear on this, my dear friends. Yeah, okay. So we discuss about ad extension as well. Now quality score monitoring. Basically what you have to do is regularly you have to monitor and analyze the quality score metrics to identify the areas for improvement, right? So in this particular case you have to utilize Google Ads rewarding tools to track changes, and then you have to make data driven optimization as well. Yeah, so this point does not require much of the explanation, so you have to regularly keep on monitoring the reports here. Okay, now negative keywords is very important, my dear friends. You have to implement negative keywords to prevent ads from showing for irrelevant searches. So let's talk about negative keywords now. Okay, so what I do is I go back to Google Ads dashboard, right? Okay, so here it is. So what is this? In Google Ads dashboard, click on the campaigns tab. right? Click on the campaigns tab, click on insights and reports, click on insights and reports, right? Okay, then here you have option inside search term, then click on search terms. Okay, so click on search terms, right? So what you see here, let's analyze the negative keywords here. Okay, so see, the keywords which are being excluded here, they have already been added in negative keyword list. So let me show you some other negative keyword list here. So let's say CSM service now training, right? So I want to add this keyword, okay, in negative. So just click on the keyword from the report, okay, then click on add as negative keyword, okay. So here you have to tell add as negative keyword to campaign, add as negative keyword to campaign, right? Okay, then click on save, click on save, correct? So the negative keyword is being added here, right? Okay, so this is how you add negative keywords in your campaign so that your ad is being prevented for irrelevant searches, right? Okay, clear, my dear students? Now let me close this tab first. You have any questions, any doubts till here, you can please ask in the comments. I would be happy to help all of you. Now we'll talk about A/B testing and optimization. You have to conduct A/B testing to refine ad elements and improve performance here. Okay, so you have to test different headline, description and CTAs to identify the most effective combination. Okay, so it's about A/B testing and optimization. Okay, so let's say I click on the campaigns tab here. Okay, just click on the campaigns tab. Yeah, then click on ads. Yeah, so here I have created multiple ad copies here to identify which ad is giving us more conversions, right? Okay, correct, right? So you could see we created two ad groups. Okay, so we already have 4 ads, so this is a part of A/B testing process here. Then mobile optimization, you have to optimize ads and landing pages for mobile devices to enhance user experience and engagement. So we have already discussed this point. Mobile friendly content and fast loading time are critical for your success. So this actually helps in improving the quality score. So we have discussed mobile optimization in the Google PageSpeed Insights report here. And now we talk about bidding strategies. So yes, this is very important. You have to implement smart bidding strategies to maximize performance while maintaining strong quality score. So ideally, target CPA or ROS is very much important for achieving the optimal results. So bidding strategy could be target CPA or ROS, right? Okay. So now what I do is I click on the campaigns tab here. Okay, just click here. Then click on more details. Click on the one second, on the campaigns tab in Google Ads dashboard. Click on more details here, right? More details. Then edit in settings. Click on edit in settings. Click on edit in settings, right? I click here, then click on the settings tab. Yeah, so now what I do is I scroll down here, networks, location, see budgets, see you define the budget, bidding, maximize conversions, target CPA. So we are given a CPA of 1400 rupees, right? Cost per action. So this is a bidding strategy over here. Alright, yeah. Then comparative analysis we discussed, you have to conduct thorough comparative analysis to identify opportunities, and then you can define your ad strategy. So this is what you can do from your Google Ads library. Then you have to understand the market trends and comparative landscape, which can actually help to improve your ads, and then that can also offer you valuable insight for improvement, right? Okay, then you need to understand a high quality score will directly impact your ad performance and ROI. This is very important, my dear friends, right? So by optimizing for quality score, you can actually achieve cost savings and improved ad positioning. So you should always aim to improve your quality score to 9 out of 10. Always aim to improve your quality score to 9 out of 10 or 10 out of 10. So this is a winning component. Yeah, okay. So let's talk about continuous improvement. You have to keep on optimizing a quality score is an ongoing process. You have to embrace a culture of continuous improvement by testing new strategies and then staying updated with the Google Ads best practices as well. Yeah, that's it. So with this, I end my today's presentation. Thank you so much for your valuable time. If you still have any questions, any queries, any doubts, please ask in the comments. Have a wonderful day, my dear students. Bye bye.